This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to solve algebraic expressions. First, let's understand what an algebraic expression is. It's a mathematical phrase combining numbers, variables, and operations like addition or multiplication. Variables are letters, such as x or y, that represent unknown numerical values. Unlike equations, expressions do not have an equal sign, so we simplify them rather than finding a specific solution for a variable. Next, mastering the order of operations is crucial for accurate simplification. Remember the acronym PEMDAS or BODMAS. First, tackle anything inside parentheses or brackets. Second, evaluate exponents or orders. Third, perform multiplication and division from left to right. Finally, complete addition and subtraction, also working from left to right. Following these 5 steps ensures consistent and correct results every time. Now, let's simplify expressions. A key step is combining like terms. For example, 3x plus 2x equals 5x. Also, use the distributive property to multiply a number by each term inside parentheses, like 2 times the quantity x plus 3 becomes 2x plus 6. Always aim to reduce the expression to its most concise and understandable form. Finally, evaluating an expression means finding its numerical value. You'll be given specific numbers to substitute for each variable. For instance, if x equals 5, replace every x with 5. After substitution, apply the order of operations precisely to perform all calculations. The final outcome will be a single, definite number, representing the expression's value under those specific conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.